I'm going to show you how exactly I created this studio clean sound video without spending a dime on expensive gadgets. In fact, the microphone I'm using currently is unplugged. You see, you don't have to spend your hard-earned money on expensive gears and softwares, nor sacrifice your precious time on lengthy theoretical courses to transform your videos from ordinary to extraordinary. This course will turn you to a pro video editor regardless of your kind of phone or your laptop you have. Despite using just the front camera of my phone, I've kept it engaged up to now. Apart from certificate of completion, I've included a downloadable roadmap and blueprint worth $168 as bonus at each strategic session. So, grab a trusty smartphone, pen, relax, and work the material to the end. I know you might be wondering, how can you trust me? My name is Solomon Olayemi. I'm a professional content creator and educator with about half a decade of experience in the creative industry. I actually make a living doing all these creative things. This course is designed for anyone who wants to become skilled in video editing without struggling with editing softwares, turn their old videos to an extraordinary one like what you're watching right now. Whether you want more engagement on social media or to turn your video editing to a professional career, this course is just for you. You learn to master leveraging on free AI tools to record your videos with script on screen, spend less time writing engaging scripts with AI's help, make your video pop with color correction, achieve a studio quality sound, increase your video credibility with animated captions like what you're watching right now. Get your audience stick to your video to the end with captivating background music and sound effects, and even get access to my secret video editing framework and strategies. So, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate trying to start a YouTube channel or impress a client for more income, this course caters strategically for you. So without further ado, let's dive right in.